Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Everything Possible. In this video, we're going to talk about failure and its recovery. How to come over your bad experience, failure. To know the ways how to face and overcome on failure, watch this video till the end. This will surely help you out in your practical life experience. Failure. We all face failure in our life. That could be we got failed in examination after you just study, we got failed in a specific subject which we cannot understand even we try to do so. Or some people get failed in love, their loved one deceived them or dumped them and go with someone else, whether he or she is not smarter than you. Mostly pupils are trying to get others' attention toward them, but they could not make it possible. How and why, man? Why is this always happens to me? And finally, we all consider ourselves as we have lost from all of these hurdles or obstacles which are seems to be too big, and finally our life stops. We started feels alone. We take everything as personally and finally get insulted from everyone not paying attention on job, career anymore. And yes, in the same time, we cannot find anyone who can motivate it to us, and we get being subjugated before all of these obstacles. Now, it's enough. It's time to boost up yourself. Look yourself in the mirror. Do you have anything less in you? You are a conqueror of your lacking. There is no one who can stop you. Come out from scissor and start your new horizon of life. Start like differently so that everyone will be amazed with open eyes. And most importantly, remove the word can't. That will take you at the place where you always dream to be. For making this all happen, you must have to listen up yourself only. Scream out and show the world that who you are and what you are capable of. Thanks for watching my video. For having such motivational videos in future, please subscribe to my channel. Till next video, take care of yourself. Goodbye.